This product is the gold Windsor door handles. The PZ centres are 92mm. The distance between the two screws are 122mm, and the total length of the back plate is 205mm. These handles come complete with a spindle and 4 bolts. The bolts are 80mm in length and 70mm in length. That means that these handles will fit any door from 58mm all the way up to an 80mm profile. These handles are also universal. If we turn the handle round, you can see that there are springs set in the handle, so when you pull the lever down, it bounces back up. To change the hand of these handles from left or right or vice versa, you turn the lever 180 degrees in the opposite direction, and you do the opposite for the other one. For more details about these handles, please go to handlesandhinges.co.uk. Thank you.